Is it worth buying Moog coin? Let's deep dive. Talk about this token Moog. We are just one breakout away from reaching the top. I really want to talk about the fundamentals first before I take the technical part. Let's open the fundamental part. Sorry. Okay, what about the ranking? Ranking is 144th most valuable cryptocurrency we have in the world. $365 million of market cap. So market cap into much. 13 million last 24 hours. Trading volume dropped significantly because market crashed. Everything dropped massively, man. Like everything is crashing down right now at this point of time. Supplying much from where we can buy this one. Like, okay, except Binance, available everywhere. And after it will be coming on Binance, it can kill like 4 zeros after it will be coming on Binance. 4 zeros straight up, it going to kill. So it's an opportunity for all of us to accumulate. But buying the dip, I'll explain you, okay? If you are buying the dip, what going to be the consequences? What going to be the outcome of it? I'll explain. I'll talk about that. The outcome of it. The outcome if you are going to buy the dip. The outcome which will happen if you are going to buy after breakout. I want to talk about both of it because two ways to make money by buying the dip, the other way by buying after breakout. Before I talk both ways, I have something for you guys. There are many coins which are moving out in the market. Would you like to know which one to buy today? I do have a VIP where I post 2 trades every single day through which you can make daily profit. To see we did buy 30, 32 and against the market it's going up. It did 2 times. Just haven't joined. Just text me hi. I'm going to put you into the group. Join right now. Okay, let's come back to the Moog. So whenever you do something, there are consequences. There are real consequences with this token. If you like, in case price drops right now, price is being traded 93 with 6 zeros. One. Okay, if it, let's count it. How many zeros we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros we have in decimal. 6 zeros we have in total. 7 zeros. But in decimal 6 zeros. So right now price is being traded 93. In case price drops downside, I going to catch over here. I want to catch at 28. It's being traded 28, 30, 93, 93. Think from that perspective, it's 93. If it drops 65, I'll not buy. If it drops 50, I'll not buy. But if it drops 30, 35, I going to go like with big money because then market cap going to be one way to go about it. That's one of our choices that we have. In case if price drops downside, we're going to catch it over here. But you have to be patient. You have to be the other way around. We have buying after breakout. Man, if I draw a horizontal line to explain you, from here, it did drop how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros in decimal. Just buy after breakout. Buy after price. But that's like far away from here. We're gonna like buy. We're gonna like maybe if we have to buy at 48, fine, we'll buy that. But this after breakout, like when you buy after breakout, like this is the level you buy after breakout. So after breakout, you are signing up for it'll pump. It'll just right away go non-stop. But when we know it's at the bottom, we're gonna like catch over here. Yeah, I'll buy over here. 35, maybe at 50 also I'll add some, maybe 30% I'll add. If I have $1,000, I'll go with $300, 30% of it. I going to like buy at 55, 550, 52. I'm going to buy over here. But buying in 2 buying levels, we're going to go about it. Yeah, but buying into 2 buying levels, price prediction for emoji, it can kill 6 zeros in decimal. 6 zeros, man. It'll take some time, 7 months to 12 months. Yeah, by the end of May next year, we can see it can kill 6. I really want to know your price prediction. Drop in the comment box below. Have a nice Oka. So meet in next video. Bye bye. Take care, guys.